The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Grenville County in northeast Illinois, southern Kendall County in northeast Illinois, east central LaSalle County in north central Illinois, west central Will County in northeast Illinois, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:47 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles west of Mazan, or 7 miles southeast of Seneca, and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Morris around 3:10 p.m., Minooka around 3:30 p.m., Shorewood around 3:40 p.m. Other locations affected: Shanahan State Park, Jim Herdwood State Park, Grenville County Speedway, Fairgrounds, Joliet Junior College, William G. Stratton State Park, Interstate 80 between mile markers 101 and 133, Interstate 55 between mile markers 242 and 254. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure and stay away from windows until this storm has passed.
This is NOAA's weather radar.